the blanks. 0 is neither dash nor dash. So positive negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. See this. We have seen this in our earlier video also. So 0 is over here. On right side are positive. On left side are negative integers, or you can call them rational numbers also. Not only rational, in fact, on number line rational as well as irrational numbers both are there. Okay. So just call them numbers. Dash has no reciprocal, that is 0. We have just now seen, because anything upon 0 is infinity, not defined. The rational numbers dash and dash are equal to their reciprocals. Means what? Reciprocal means what? 5, reciprocal of 5 is what? 1 by 5. So 1 upon that number. So you put anything 1 and minus 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 upon minus 1 is what? Again minus 1. This 1 upon minus 1, you can bring this minus sign over here also. It becomes minus 1 only. Means minus from the denominator can come to numerator, and then the